Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to cut and sew a dress. I have 1 yard and some inches here. This 1 yard, 36 inches is 1 yard. Then 1 yard and almost 2 yards, 1 yard and 34 inches. This material is almost 2 yards. I fold into 2 and I will fold again to give me into 4. This is into 4. I'm going to cut the shoulder and the sleeve together. I have 17.5 inches like this after folding into 4. So I will place my tape up here. I will measure 10 inches. I will measure bust 48 inches divided by 4 is 12 inches. Which is here, from here to here is 12 inches. I add 2 inches to sew. I will cut this way, placing my tape on top here. Full length is 50 inches, which is here. I will add 1.5 inch to sew. I will use 1 inch to hem on the bottom and 1/2 inch to sew on the shoulder. So I'm going to measure waist 15 inches. That is after folding into 4, I have 15 inches. Hip is 17.5 inches. So I'm going to cut from armhole here, this place, like this. I'm going to cut neckline. Placing my tape, I measure 3 inches. I will cut back with 1/2 inch. I'm going to sew button on the back. I will cut the back like this, 4 inches. From here to here is 4 inches. For the front neck, I will measure 4.5 inches and mark this way. I'm going to sew side pockets on this dress. I will measure from shoulder down here 16.5 inches. This shoulder stroke sleeve from here down here to the waist 16.5 inches. I will measure from there to here 7 inches. So this is the hole for the pocket. This 7 inches is the hole for the pocket. So I will notch and I will notch here. I'm going to make gather here on the front neck. I measure 4.5 inches by 44 inches. This is 44 inches, 4.5 inches by 44 inches. I'm going to sew 2 lines here to make gather. I'm done sewing for gather, I'm going to draw the thread. I sew 3 lines. You can sew 3 lines or 2 lines. After drawing up to half like this, I will start from this side. Try not to draw from one side to the end. Draw the thread on both sides. I'll place like this and sew up to here. I will find the center together and sew just like this. I'm done sewing. I have this one. I'll fold into 2. I will start from here down here where I cut with 4 inches and up and this way. After doing that, I will join the shoulder. This the back. I'm done sewing, and this is where I will sew button on, and the front. After finish sewing the first one, I'm going to bring this way and sew on top the gather. I'm going to sew on top. After doing that, I will join the shoulder with this, the back. I'm done sewing the neck and I sew button on the back. I join the shoulder. So I'm going to sew pockets now. This is where I notch in here, this place and this place, 7 inches. I fold into 2. I fold again. I'm going to measure what I will do now is to sew here. I'll place this way and sew just this 7 inches. I will do the same on the other side. Sew the 2 on the front and on the back. So when I'm done sewing this 7 inches, I will come and show you how I'm going to join the 2 sides with the pockets. I'm done sewing. I sew from here to here 7 inches. This is how it is. I place on the front this way. This is the front and this is the back. I'm going to join. Let me show you how I join these 2 sides. We will have to bring out the pocket. This is the back of the material. This is the back. This is the front. We'll bring out the pocket like this. This is the shoulder stroke sleeve. This is how it is. The 2 pockets is outside, this side and this side. This is the side of the dress. I measure 8 inches on the round sleeve, and I will sew from there this way like this up and the side of the dress to the bottom, and this is the down part, the bottom part. After doing that, I will hem there. So when I'm done doing that, I will show you how it looks like. I'm done sewing. So this is the pocket. this is it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified each time I put up a video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you have any question concerning this video, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.